Good evening once again. Good evening to everyone. So today our session is on the Google Jamboard. Hope you all are very much familiar with this. Am I correct? Or we are just starting with today only? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks for confirming. So let's start with the session. So as we all know that if you don't know, the thing to do is not get scared to be, but to learn it. Because the beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. And this is the fact that whatever we are doing, we are learning, we are upskilling ourselves, we are upgrading our skills, and we are able to teach the students in a good manner as we are working on the digital mode. Let me introduce myself. Those who are already know me, I have already conducted so many webinars now. Myself, Jasjeet Kaur. I am a master trainer of All India Educator Forum, and I'm a Google certified educator also. And thanks to the Matthew sir for giving me this opportunity to work it on for the platform. Now let's say this is how the Jamboard looks like. It is a virtual tool from where we can work it collaboratively also. And Jamboard is actually a virtual collaboration tool that lets us work together on a whiteboard, like interface in a real time. We can share it, we can collaborate it with the teachers, and we can edit it also. We have to modify it also. We can give the flowchart description to the kids also to explain them that what exactly it is there. Jamboard is really a useful tool. The features of the Jamboards are there that we can write it with a mouse also. We can write it with the help of our finger. This touch screen is there. We can take the notes or we can mark up the elements also. When we are exploring on the Jamboard, we will show how it exactly works on. We can add the sticky notes also to the Jam to organize thoughts while brainstorming the kids. And we can add the text boxes, images from the Google also, from our own drive also. And we can share images and shapes to enhance our content also. This is how the Jamboard looks like. This is here we can write down the name of the Jamboard. Presentation is there. This is the pen where we can write it down with the different colors are there. This is the eraser for it. This is the marking tool. When we are using it, it's there. This is known for the images. Sticky notes, we can just like this, we are working on it. We can edit the sticky note also. We can duplicate it. We can delete it also. This is the icon for the images. We can download it, as I have told it that we can download it from the web, or we can download it from our own device also. We have the different shapes also in the Jamboard: circle, triangle, square. As we explore, we then come to know. We can write it down also on it. We can using the text tool. This is the text tool by grabbing out there, and this particular last tool is for the laser. While we are working on the class, we are explaining the concept to everyone. Then we come to know that it is how we can explain them to that. Apart from them, there is a set background is there. We can use the different backgrounds. We can clear the frame also if we are not able to keep it in that. We want to change it on. Next is there that how to access the Jamboard. There are two ways as we are doing. This is from the Google app launcher. 9 dots are there. and from there we can just click on to the 9 dots, and we got this particular icon, Jamboard. We have click onto it and we will get onto the main page. Or we can write it down the jamboard.google.com on the URL, and from there when clicking onto it, we come to know we are on the main page. Next comes our on a mobile device. When you have to download the Jamboard app for the iOS, you have to it is to be download the Jamboard app for iOS for Apple devices, or the Jamboard app from the Play Store for the Android devices. Now the question arises that why do teachers use Jamboard? Basically, the concept is there to enhance the classroom participations by allowing the students to visually portray their learning and thinking. And this also helps the teachers gain knowledge on what their students are comprehending in real time. So that's why it's a great tool for collaborating in person. Now, what are the 5 reasons to use the Jamboard is there, Google Jamboard? First of all, it offers a variety of easy to use editing and annotations. As I have told that these all are the tools we are having, and we can use multiple tasks on it. We can use the editing and annotations on it also. Next is there we can have the backgrounds for a variety of purposes. There are frames which can be rotated at 180 degrees for the display purposes, and for that we are having the white background, black background, blue background, squares also there, checks also there, lines also there. We will explore and then we will come to know exactly what it is. The best thing on the Jamboard is there that we can make up to 20 frames per jam. We can already created the Jamboards and we can collaborate with the students. We can share it with them and they can work it on, and we can see it in a class what exactly it is there. Also, as we have to share it, the same process is there for sharing the Jamboard. We have the permission, we have to access the permissions to them. We can click onto the link also. We can share it with the mail address, and after sharing we can give them the access whatever we want, either to view or to edit. It's all up to us, or we can share it with the link also. Next is the exportability and cloud storage. So the rename, we can rename the Jamboard also. We can download it as a PDF. This is a very good tool. When we are working in a classroom, we are giving the notes to the students, and we think that some students, they are not able to understand what exactly it is there. So we can help them to check it out whether it is they are get the PDF form for that. We can same frame as image also. We can remove that particular gem from the Jamboard, from that slide from the Jamboard also. We can make a copy of it. We can update it, and we can send the feedback to the students also. The next is there that the innovative ways to schools and